Hey, what's up guys? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Now, Warren sent in a common question. So my question, I'm shooting in my garage and I'm trying to be as clean as possible. My base coat always comes out fine, but my clear always seems to get dirt and dust in it. How do I fix this problem? Well, Warren, I spray in the garage here as well. A trick that you can use, and I talk about it in VIP, is to hose out your garage with water right before you paint and wet the floors. That'll help keep the dust down. Another thing is you could put tarps or plastic sheeting along the sides of your garage and on the top. If you can get a staple gun, you can staple it and just try to keep the garage dust out. Another thing is ventilation. I don't know what type of ventilation you're using, but you'd want to have at least 2 box fans blowing air out, and you'd want to have an intake somewhere with a filter. So you got clean air coming in, and I would recommend that air coming in is at one end of the shop. I don't even have this set up at my shop. Okay, I just have the door open and I have box fans and ventilation going that way. But that's the best you could do. I mean, there's really not much. And the good thing about base coat, clear coat is, you want to make sure you tack between every base coat. You never want to tack rag between clear coats, right? Because you can't, it gets sticky. So the thing about clear coat and base coat, clear coat is it's very forgiving. So before spraying your clear coat, make sure you tack down your base coat because you could have some little dust landing in there, okay? So make sure that's clear. Wiped off and flat. So if that's clean, then your clear coat's going to go on fine. Here's the thing with dust. If you get dust in your clear coat, right, and if you see some and it looks pretty bad or whatever, I would say in your last coat of clear, really load it on thick to bury the dust. Sometimes you can bury it and you won't even notice it, especially if it's fine clear lint. And the thing is you can actually cut and buff that. So if you're a VIP, I'm not sure if you are or not, check out the cutting and buffing series in VIP. I show you exactly how to cut out the dust and buff it to a pro shine. Okay, unfortunately, every garage painter or painter just painting, even in a spray booth, people, you get dust. It's just something that happens that, a piece of dust can come off from your gear. Maybe something unlatched from your arm or whatever. It happens. But the beauty, like I just said, is with clear coat, you can cut it out and you can sand it to a nice perfection. Again, another thing you could do is look into renting a spray booth if you're doing a complete paint job. It's something you could do. Just stop by your local auto body shop area and see how much they would charge for a half-a-day rental. And you could actually bring your parts in there and paint it in a booth. That'll help with the dust issue as well. Again, if you do the proper tarping and plastic sheeting and wet your floor down before you paint, that's going to handle 95% of the problem right there. So again, hopefully this helped. It's Tony here from Learn Auto Body and Paint. If you guys are watching this brand new and you want to get a free 85-page auto body booklet, all you got to do is click right over here at the top right of this video, and there's going to be a little drop down where you can click and get a free 85-page auto body booklet. Also in the description below, there's going to be a transcription of this video as well as other links to the blog, links where you can learn more about VIP and all that good stuff. So comment below if you have any more questions. Hopefully this video helped you. Give a quick like, share, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, because I'm trying to get through all of these questions on video to help everybody out here. And give a quick heart, like, whatever you want to call it as well. It's Tony here. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.